Jane is creating a unique paint color that calls for 1 part coloring to every 4 parts white paint. For a total of 12 gallons of colored paint, how much coloring will Jane require? A. 225 gallons. B. 3 gallons. C. 1 gallon. D. 935 gallons. Reggie has enough flour to last for days. If he increases his use of flour by 25%, however, how many days' worth of flour will he have? A. 30 days. B. 28 days. C. 32 days. D. 20 days. Choose the response that is the polar opposite of the statement. Prime numbers are usually odd 3-digit numbers. A. 137. B. 113. C. 129. D. 101. James is about to go on an 840-mile long-distance bicycle adventure. He calculates that he can go 160 miles each day on average. On the day of the trip, he will arrive. Which option indicates the proper fill-in-the-blank number? A. 6th. B. 4th. C. 8th. D. 7th. "54 is 75% of what number? A. 80. B. 72. C. 100. D. 60. Tim's socks are strewn around in a drawer. There are 4 pairs of blue socks, 8 pairs of black socks, and 4 pairs of brown socks. He pulls a blue sock from the drawer at random. What are the chances that the second sock he picks up will be blue as well? A. 316. B. 14. C. 15. D. 116. Jerry invests in a 24-foot fence to keep his garden safe. He intends to create a rectangle garden. With this amount of fencing, what is the size of the largest rectangular garden Jim can create? A. Any rectangle he makes from a given length of fencing will have the same area. B. 36 square feet. C. 35 square feet. D. He cannot form a rectangle using that length of fencing. What is the perfect square of these numbers? A. 65. B. 150. C. 169. D. 80. Jason, a student, gets 37 out of 55 on the first test, 47 out of 72 on the second, and 41 out of 64 on the third. Jason's highest percent score is A. 67%. B. 70%. C. 64%. D. 69%. Which of the following would be considered an improper fraction? A. 2 3. B. 1 2, C. 4 5 9. D. 7 2. Which of the following is the same as the 4:12 ratio? A. 1 3. B. 3 4. C. 48. D. 12 4. What percentage of 150 is 32%? A. 48. B. 32. C. 65. D. 100. Mary reads a book every 45 minutes and finishes 3 chapters. How long does one chapter take her to read? A. 15 minutes. B. 1 hour. C. 35 minutes. D. 1 hour. Which of the following is not a 42 factor? A. 3. B. 6. C. 9. D. 7. To determine the weight of a bowling ball, which unit should be used? A. Kilogram. B. Milliliter. C. Centimeter. D. Meter. If Dave drives at a steady speed of 50 miles per hour, how long will it take him to drive 10 miles? A. 15 minutes. B. 30 minutes. C. 12 minutes. D. 20 minutes. John will be X in 7 years. How old was he last year? A. X plus 8. B. X 8. C. 7X. D. 6X. Find the slope, 4x 5y equals 20. A. 5 4. B. 4 5. C. 3 4. D. 5 6. Rex is 4 times as old as Ted. If the sum of their ages is 30, how old is Ted? A. 10. B. 6. C. 12. D. 4. On a real number line, x equals -4 and y equals 7. What is the length of the line xy? A. 11. B. 3. C. -11. D. 10. Praxis test for teaching certification. According to McGraw-Hill's Praxis 1 and 2, the Praxis, also called as the Praxis Series, professional assessment for beginning teachers, is created and administered by the Educational Testing Service, or ETS for short. These tests measure the academic skills of the candidates and whether they have the needed subject-specific content knowledge for teaching. They are also used by most colleges and universities as part of the process of certification. There are 3 types of Praxis tests: Praxis Core Academic Skills for Educators tests, Praxis Subject Assessments, and Praxis Elementary Education, Content Knowledge for Teaching tests. Now do not take this so long and take our free Praxis test to get your dream teaching certificate.